You have a finish! Yay! Now what? Hey there, Sarah here with the Notorious Needle, helping you to stitch what you want by empowering you to break the rules. In this video, you'll learn how to wash your cross-stitch project. Here's what you need. Your finished cross-stitch project, 2 clean light-colored towels, and a bowl of warm, soapy water. So I've got my finished cross-stitch project. This one was test-stitched for me by my mom, part of the new Effin Flowers collection, and I'll put a link down below for this pattern. So I'm just going to put this all the way, too much suds, into the bowl of warm water, and I'm going to, too many suds. I'm going to swish it around a little bit here. So, do you have to wash your cross stitch when you're done stitching it? You don't have to. You don't have to do anything. It's your project. I recommend washing it, especially if you stitch in hand, because no matter what you do, even if you use a grind guard, the threads and the cloth come into contact with the natural oils on your skin. And over time, those oils can discolor your project. It turns like this grimy yellow color. Nobody wants that. So I am just swishing this around gently, rubbing especially the left-hand side. My mother and I both stitch in hand, so if it's going to get dirty, it's going to be on that side of the cloth. You don't need to scrub. That can loosen the stitches. And I'm just going to leave this here to soak in the soapy water for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I've let this soak for 10 to 15 minutes in soapy water, and you can see there's no more soap because I rinsed it out in fresh water, so to get rid of any leftover soapy residue. Next, move this aside. Going to lay down a clean light colored towel. I'm going to take this out of the bowl of water. It's dripping wet, that's okay. Put it right onto the cloth here, smooth it out. Move this water out of the way, I don't need that anymore. And put the second clean towel on top. And I'm just going to roll it up. And gently squeeze out the excess water. Now, a little tip, if your project is super big, too big for a bowl, you can always do this in the tub. Let me unroll it here. Open it up, smooth out as many wrinkles as possible. And with luck, this will dry nice and smooth, and I won't need to iron it. I'm just going to let this dry, and then it will be ready for framing or ironing. If you like this video, be sure to watch another, and I'll see you in the next one. Stitch on.